How's it going, my friends? It's your boy King Potato back at you with another video. So let's go. So today we got Fidgets, spinner, cable, Fidgets. Gina, which fidget you want?
I want the spinner. I've never actually tried the spinner.
Here, tip. I'm gonna give you all a pro tip and Gina pro tip. How I do it is I hold it with my middle finger and my thumb. And then use my ring finger to spin it.
Okay.
It's got like all those different
Weird.
And we have food because we're fat.
Well, he has food. I ate my food yesterday. Because I'm a fucking pig. I see gummy bears. If you have gummy bears, keep them away from me.
I have gummy bears.
No, but you hid them.
Not really.
Oh.
One is peeing on my shoe. I'm running for my life because the red one has a knife.
Did you get salt on this popcorn?
No, it already had salt.
Oh, did it?
Yeah. Not much, but it had a little bit of salt.
Do you think that?
Yes, but I'm not going to.
But you can sing it like gummy bears are after me.
Yes.
One is peeing on my shoe. Now I'm running for my life because the red one has a knife.
So now, that's awesome in the camera. It looks like it's going the opposite way. That's awesome.
The camera's like a computer.
Are you guys even recording?
Yeah, we are.
It's a fidget cube. This is not a real one. Probably can tell because the anti-lab blue camo ones have blue buttons, not red.
It doesn't matter.
It works.
This
Why I love
is a car.
And there was a car.
Right here. So for those of you who've never seen the fidget cube,
It's
got 5 buttons. These 2 are silent. These click. This is the joystick. This is a little switch.
That's very loud.
Probably my favorite one.
And
This
it's
is a
annoying.
spinner.
I love the spinner.
The spinner's pretty fun. Usually with your thumb, you just E Nation.
I'm addicted to this thing now.
And then you got little gears that you spin, and a little ball you can click. And then you got a little worry stone on there for all the people who have anxiety. I personally don't, but it's still pretty out there.
It's like if you ever have that once in a lifetime anxiety thing, then there you go.
And then this is a spinner.
Started hurting my thumb for a moment.
Me too. This spins.
And it's awesome.
It was supposedly glow in the dark, but I looked at it last night and it wasn't. EE Nation. Actually, EE Nation is from Ireland Boys Production. Shout out to them. They have good content. I like their store challenges. Yeah.
My name is Jimbo.
So yeah.
One thing you gotta watch for is not letting it hit your hand.
Look at the top one.
Fidgets.
Your nose
We love
is
them
flipping
very
off
much.
the camera. Remember, you look at the top one. It's a square and another
Love them.
I need to buy one.
Yeah, she does. Because she takes mine. She used one of my fidget cube, but then I showed her that and she's in love.
I like both.
I
I like my card only.
I know that if you didn't show them that trick, they would all be doing this.
Or like this. Or they'd be like,
Yelling knife out.
yeah.
It's once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy,
Yeah.
but when I was first doing it, I'm just
I was like,
this
how
is
do you
so
even
weird.
do this?
And then I realized that if you have it right there, it's that finger was in the way.
We're discussing fidgets.
You know how I do it?
He's probably never gonna watch these videos anyway.
I got the money here to pay him. $15.
$15?
He got it for 20.
Holy shit, these things are expensive.
They sell ones for $500, Gina.
Why?
They spend for like 5 minutes and they're 24 karat gold plated.
Well,
See, she gets it now.
yeah. Put gold on it, it's automatically worth $1 million.
And it's a fidget toy for your classroom. That just like lets everyone know that you're a baller. Because you have 24 karat gold.
If I ever like become a teacher or something, I would just buy a whole bunch of these.
For my class, yeah, totally.
Yeah, and then if I see them like messing around with their pencils, tapping something, I'd just be like, take this.
Fidget.
Like my 4th grade teacher, she taught us how to finger knit.
For what?
She taught us how to finger knit. So so it gives us something to do besides messing around with stuff. So she had us keep a thing of yarn in our desk. It was awesome.
You should teach me how to do that. Gina.
What?
You should teach me how to do that.
Okay, if I can remember. I think I remember. I haven't done it in forever.
These are designated for fidgeting.
My 4th grade teacher also had a pet turtle. His name was Rocky. And she had like gold cards, and there was
Turtle. His name was Rocky. That's a reference to Rocky. Oh my god. That's a great movie. Have you ever seen Rocky, Gina?
yeah.
It's a fucking great movie.
In 7th grade last year, that was like our theme song.
I did that wrong.
What the fuck? He forgets.
Sorry for the cringiness. What is it now? Sorry, I'm a drummer. I drum.
And I'm nothing.
And I dropped. Sounded like a demon escaping my soul. I dropped a gummy bear. Savage.
Also, I'm happy because it was actually light out this morning, so.
Hey. I know, right? Shout out to spring. So the sun's out.
It's gonna snow this weekend.
That sucks.
At least it calls for snow.
Rats.
And rain. Rain I'm fine with. It's the fucking snow.
Well, it was snowing Monday. Or
No, it
Tuesday,
pissed me off.
And Tuesday. And by the time practice would have happened for the 14-15U, it got sunny again. But he canceled it already, so they couldn't turn back. And so they got canceled for practice. So I was actually scheduled to have like a scrimmage today. But since Dad rescheduled 14-15U, I'm free. The scrimmage is tomorrow. Baseball life.
How dare?
Rats. No. So yes. Fidget switch. Which switch fidgets?
Got my turny thing again. This is like the only thing I do on it.
I like the switch in this bit. The
joystick is pretty much the exact same, but it's harder to move.
Yeah. Yes.
What are those bugs?
I'm doing ceramics in advanced art.
Let's start.
I'm gonna make a mug that's got like a compartment in the bottom for like cookies or something. Yeah, you told me. I'm gonna put Metallica stuff on it. FYI, if you don't know about this about me yet, I've probably already
It's
said
just
it
like
before.
a thing to rub.
I love Metallica. Metallica is like the greatest band ever in my mind. Metallica, yes.
I don't have a favorite band.
I'm actually wearing my Metallica shirt now.
Didn't you wear that the other day?
It got washed here.
Okay.
Hold this and this.
Telling me to hold like 50 things at a time.
I'm showing them my Metallica shirt. Metallica!
Did you wear that yesterday?
No!
What you did?
Metallica. M-E-T-A-L-L-I-C-A. Metallica!
You're a nerd.
Gina, how many times do we have to go over this? It's off season for football. I'm a
I know.
fucking nerd.
But now it's on season for baseball.
Good point. That's still not an excuse though. I'm a fucking nerd, Gina. Nerddom. Nerds are life. Fuck. Sun in my face.
I want to do a charity live stream soon. Sooner or later.
How do you do a live stream on YouTube?
Seriously. You hit live stream.
Where's that?
I'll show you after this video.
I'm not very literate in YouTube.
My arm is tired. Thank you.
Brooklyn, come on.
Now my face is like halfway out.
We are beginner YouTubers.
Well, he is.
She has to do her
She's
hair,
still
she
somewhat
said.
beginner.
I've been doing this for a month or two now.
Yeah, she's having.
Not as long as Marker Jack though.
She has like what, 10
Michael
videos out,
Jackson?
and this is gonna be my
Couple.
third.
I think more than 10 maybe.
This video you're watching
I think
now
it
is
said
my third
18.
video.
I think I have 18 videos.
Have you noticed that when you upload a video, it says for like the first while that you've uploaded like 2 of the same video?
Yeah, sometimes.
That happens for me all the time when I upload videos.
That's weird.
I upload her videos for her too. Fuck.
He's like kind of my editor.
Yeah, even though I don't edit much.
He doesn't edit on
We don't have no way to edit, so I just upload them to Gina because she doesn't have a phone.
Will stop his head from going to the Get your hand in the camera.
Finish this.
No.
Stop touching me.
Fucking light is pissing me off.
It's about to be like, where'd my fidget spinner go? And then it's sitting here, so I'm embarrassed.
Yeah, I bought a bunch of gummy bears and whatnot yesterday.
So we're getting close to my time limit. I can only do 15-minute videos. It's my
Because
limit.
we don't know why.
For some reason, I had to try to verify my channel, and when I tried to do it, it said it worked, but then when I tried to re-upload a video after I had verified, it said it was too long. So I'm just gonna stick under the 15 minutes. So we're getting close. I'm gonna say goodbye here. Bye, everybody. Peace out.